Hi, this is Vincent from Dana. We just did a very good session with Andrew regarding creative scene investigation. And we truly believe that this is really helpful for our team and our company overall. And I see this to be applicable not only in our executive and our management, but I think it can be applied to everyone in the companies, and not necessarily in a design team or product team only, but on an organization overall. That the most important about any kind of organization is really to ask the right question, and after that to develop a creative thinking how to solve that solution, how we can make people, not only the creative people, but even the for example, people who is very operational, the finance people and everything, can understand that this process can help even make their divisions and make their team better.